Welcome back to the Holiday Road Travel Channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we are in Yellow Springs, Ohio, which is not too far from our own backyard here, but we're checking out Ohio's Hippie town. Right now we're at John Bryan State Park. We're going to explore the wilderness around here. Then we're going to go check out a cool place for dinner, get some ice cream at a special dairy farm, and explore the unique and wonderful shops of Yellow Springs. Remember, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and follow us on all of our adventures this year across the country. Deanna has a history of falling in the mud, so it's a little rainy. I'm keeping a close eye on her.
I do not have a history of falling. Zach has a history of
No.
falling. I slid one time. You won't let me forget it. So Zach and I love to go on hikes and walk on the weekends, and I think John Bryan is the best park in Ohio.
Ohio's best state park.
I'm just saying.
Maybe Hocking Hills is the only thing I could give it a run for its money.
I think I like this one better, but it's closer to our house, so maybe that's why. I don't know.
So John Bryan State Park backs up directly next to the Clifton Gorge Nature Preserve. So both of these are right outside of Yellow Springs, Ohio. We're going to head out of the state park and turn down and go to the Clifton Gorge side of things, where we've heard the views are a little bit more dramatic.
And it rained earlier today, so we're hoping that the water is really flowing to get some good shots. Going down?
Going down.
Nice staircase.
So as it turns out, I'm pretty sure this hiking all connects. So we really didn't need to move our car. It's just, it seems like it's further away than it is because of the way the road kind of curves around. But I think you can park in one place and walk this whole thing pretty easily. Deanna, thoughts on that waterfall in the gorge?
It is good. I wish we could get closer to it, but obviously with the train, there's no way to get down
That's
there.
the thing that sucks about state parks in Ohio is they don't let you touch anything.
You can't get that close to it, but from up here, the view is good. All right, we have finished hiking for the day. It's a little hot out now, so a little sweaty and gross, but we are heading into Yellow Springs for dinner and shopping. Yellow Springs is kind of like a hippie town. It's been coined. So we're gonna go to the shops and see what they have.
So if you feel like you've heard the name Yellow Springs before but don't know why, it is also famously the hometown of comedian Dave Chappelle. So I don't normally take risks when it comes to ordering dinner, but I'm trying something new tonight, so.
My meal has a theme. Everything is lavender. I ordered a lavender drink, and then my salmon is lavender lemon. I am so excited.
So we just finished eating at Deanna's pick for the evening, which was called the Sunrise Cafe here in downtown Yellow Springs.
It was so good. I got the salmon that was like lemon and lavender flavored with risotto. So good. I loved it.
And I branched out a little bit. So normally I'm a picky eater, but I tried something called Ram Schnitzel, which is like pork cutlets with like a bacon mushroom sauce on it and some egg noodle, what's the word I'm looking for? Like the side dish. Like egg noodle based dumplings, that's what I'm looking for. It was okay. I'm glad I tried something new. My palate might not be as refined. I thought it was just okay.
We'll go back there for the salmon, but probably not.
Right, I tried hers and it was really good. I took a risk at dinner, so I went back to Old Faithful for dessert. Chocolate peanut butter Reese's sundae.
I only get two kind of ice cream flavors: cotton candy or s'mores.
Young's Dairy is all about agritainment. That's agriculture mixed with entertainment.
I didn't know that.
Meaning that in addition to the ice cream and the food, there's also tons to do here, including a petting zoo, 2 mini golf courses, driving range, batting cages, and so much more.
I have a quarter, and we're gonna feed them.
Do you want some? Here you go. Oh my goodness. I love you.
Subscribe to our channel or I'll run you over with my tractor.
It's been a long time since either of us have driven some golf balls, so we'll see how this goes. Everybody, thanks for joining us on our trip to the wonderfully weird Yellow Springs, Ohio. And remember, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. It really helps us out. And you can tag along for all of our adventures across Ohio and the rest of the 50 states as well. Anything to add, baby?
Nope, it was a good night. Loved it. Love this place.
Awesome. Take care.
nail came off.
Casualties of hiking.